Are you looking to streamline your CAD, computer-aided design, processes, enhance productivity, and tailor your design software to meet your specific needs? ProtoTech's CAD design automation and customization services are designed to do just that. Our team of expert CAD professionals understands the importance of efficiency and precision in design workflows. We offer a comprehensive suite of services that includes automating repetitive tasks, developing custom CAD software solutions, and optimizing existing CAD software to match your unique requirements. Whether you are in manufacturing, architecture, engineering, or any other industry that relies on CAD, we can help you save time, reduce errors, and improve the overall quality of your designs.
Let's transform your CAD processes to help you stay ahead of the competition with ProtoTech Solutions' expertise and dedication to excellence. Discover how our CAD design automation and customization services can help your business thrive in a rapidly evolving design landscape. Connect with us today.